cousins. One of them in particular had a dream. This is how it goes. I proposed to my girlfriend at the age of 17. And I guess she said yes, but there's a catch. We just couldn't get married, have a normal lifestyle. I proposed to her with a special ring. A ring for the ages. This wasn't any normal ring. This was a giant ring. When I say giant, I mean with diamonds. Diamonds upon diamonds. It was huge. Inside of those diamonds was a bird cage. Inside of that bird cage was a bird.
Yes. Glad it wasn't a squirrel. That would be kind of awkward. Ferret, maybe? No. Tweet.
She said yes. So we're gonna get married.
Oh.
On her wedding day, she's gonna wear a bird.
Did you just get married to your cousin? Is that what I
What?
can take
Come
away?
on!